Okay, as you can see, I want to give another demonstration about the 64 millimeter oil filter flute and breaker bar and snap on breaker bar ratcheting adapter. And for what reason, how this ratcheting adapter basically can come very useful in certain different applications. So we're going to get over to the vehicle. Okay, as you can already see, I basically have the breaker bar and the adapter. It's kind of hard to see in there. So what I gotta do is basically get my light so that I can show you how deep it is inside. Okay, now basically, as you can see how it's up inside like that. Sometimes basically when you don't have long enough ratchet, say for instance a half-inch drive, you won't be able to get the proper leverage in order to turn the flute. So this is why, as you can see, I'm using basically the breaker bar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break the housing free, and then I will use the ratcheting adapter to give you a better clear look at how it basically sits. Okay. Okay, as you're turning, if you don't have the proper clearance, you see the breaker bar won't have no room, and then you would basically have to keep flipping the breaker bar in order to spin the housing free. So now, as you can see, now I have the ratcheting adapter on. Okay, so this is the useful tip of basically having that half-inch ratcheting adapter. Okay, as I wait basically for the parts for this, I have another vehicle over there on the left that I gotta get to. So time to get the multitasking. What's up? Got the nice hot cherry red Camaro in here, looking nice. Okay, I'm still going along in my day, multitasking like crazy. I'm the last one standing at the shop. Everybody's basically gone. All other techs. Like I said, I work mainly more hours and more days than any other tech here at the shop. But like I said, it's always hard for me to record and demonstrate certain things that I'm doing. But I just try to give a little quick little short demonstration and details when I can. But it is what it is. I gotta get back to work for a minute. Get back to you. Okay, so basically that's just gonna be it today. Been moving around. I just wanted to just give another little slight demonstration of what I was talking about that snap-on half-inch ratchet adapter. Okay, got a lot of other work to get back to, so we're gonna keep it short today. And as you already know, this is your U.S. General 5-drawer tool cart with side tray and deep compartment. All right, peace.